sweetie, I'm sorry.
Bluey.
You know, you wanted to see a video of my neighbor box. Yes, I do.
The love and the help and the generosity you've all shown us over the years.
Right, so there's left foot washing.
No, good.
His first time off the boat in a couple of days because of the storm, so he's had to do his business on the boat, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So it's time for a
a
run for him on the beach now.
It's probably day, it's a bit cool, but
It is cooler, we're in sweatshirts, but
nice
it's
sunny.
still sunny. It's warm in the sun.
Yeah, there's still the wind over the waves slightly, but it's nice and sunny. So.
It's lovely and sunny. Hello. Hey. It's an expensive job for somebody. Shame, really. Just on the beach. Freddie's come to have a nosy. Come on, Fred. Come on. We're just starting to wander back to the boat now. Freddie's had a good run. Come on, Fred. He's here with his dad. Wandering back down to the boat now after Fred's had his run on the beach. He's got his little life jacket on so that he's safe when he gets back on the boat. We do that because he's only got one eye, so his spatial awareness isn't very good, is it?
Not really, no, not now. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? You're getting old, aren't you?
He's 12 now, so a mere youngster compared to Aggie though.
Come on.
Are you sending him first?
Yeah. On you go. On you go. Good boy. Good boy, Freddie.
Oh, he's stuck, Tone. Tony's stuck.
Good boy.
Okay, he's not now.
Alfie straight back on Caroline's shoulders.
You're a lovely boy, aren't you? You'd live there, wouldn't
He
you?
likes a good cuddle when he come back on the boat. Don't you, Alf?
And a
Hey?
good chew. Mm. What you doing?
He's a little monkey.
That's my new sweatshirt, you puggy, eh? That's why we never buy anything mega expensive when we're
Yeah.
to wear with these.
Exactly.
Because it gets ruined, doesn't it? Gets ruined.
Wrecked them, nearly ruined them.
Who's a good boy? You're just wanting food, aren't you?
He just wants a bit of attention when we come back. We've just been out for lunch and we gave Freddie a run on the beach. And then came back on the boat with some shopping. And then of course as soon as you let him out he wants lots of attention.
And food.
Yeah,
Don't
and of
forget
course
food.
he's always hungry.
Yeah. Hey?
He's young Alf.
Yes.